gun yesterday. This is my Bushmaster. I've had probably for about 10 years or so. It's just a shorty, doesn't have the detachable handle on it. And this is the one I just picked up yesterday. STAG ARMS Model 1. It's got the detachable handle. And been wanting a flat top for a while now, and finally decided to get it. Got a few things ordered for it. I bought this cheap optic on it. I'm not sure how that's going to work. I'm going to go up to the club today and shoot it. Came with a metal mag, and I put a P mag in it. So it looks good. See if it shoots as good as my Bushmaster. The Bushmaster has been one reliable gun. Shot the heck out of it. And then I picked up a couple weeks ago a Glock 19. Been wanting a 19 for a while. I have a 40. So if it shoots as good as my 40, I haven't shot this either, but I've been carrying it. It's a Gen 3 19. So if it shoots as good as my 40, I don't think I have any problem hitting anything with this. And that's it. New toys to mess with. Got a quad rail for the front ordered. A sling. I don't have it. It didn't come with the sling. And that's it.